Auto body repairs are rarely expected or something anyone looks forward to, but when they do occur, there's one thing you can expect: a wonderful experience at Vance Collision Center. Vance Collision Center is the leader in automotive collision repair in the Chippewa Valley. We're committed to providing you, our neighbor, with a wonderful experience, one that's seamless, convenient, and committed to returning your car to as good as new condition. For decades, we've helped area residents with all their collision needs, including auto body repair, paintwork and refinishing, auto glass repair and replacement services, frame straightening, and paintless dent repair, along with hail damage repair. When you bring your car to Vance Collision Center, you can rest assured that you and your car are in good hands. Our hometown team prides itself on its workmanship, attention to detail, and overall build quality. And thanks to our higher standard of repair, we're proud to have earned a full suite of industry accreditations and accolades. We take pride in and stand behind the work we do, so much that every vehicle we repair comes with a lifetime guarantee. Vance Collision Center's lifetime guarantee ensures all rebuilds are crafted to a factory finish standard. If and when you need some unexpected auto body or collision repair, rest assured, our team at Vance Collision Center will make your process wonderful.